Hi, this is Venka from digitalvenka.com. Today we're going to see about templates in Google Sites and also how to insert emojis in buttons. Enter sites.google.com. First log in through your Google ID and then enter sites.google.com. Let it loads. Once you can go to the Google Sites, please press this menu. You go to settings, you can see there is templates. Please enable it and press OK. Now you can see template gallery has been available. For creating a new website, we need to press this back button. If you need to get some template gallery already preloaded in Google Sites, please press this. You can see that different templates available. This is the latest update in Google Sites, like team, project, student portfolio, restaurant, and work event help center team. Let me click on template. Earlier, we need to be update Google site based on themes. There are 5 themes where we need to use styles and fonts in the themes. Now, with these templates, we can able to easily create a website. You can see there is already images, text are placed. We just need to edit it as per our requirement, and menus are placed. If you watched already my videos how to create a website on Google site, you can easily able to edit this. I will insert some code in that. You can see menus, and you can able to add logo. You can able to edit the text. Also, button has been included. You can able to change the image. You can able to upload a new image. Let me upload a new image and see. You can able to update the image and update the text as per our requirement. And we can also enable, now it's disabled in footer. We can also able to enable footer. If you don't hide to footer, we can also able to hide it. There is already pages has been created based on the themes we done website before. Let me also insert buttons, and let me insert a button. We go to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel to see videos like this. Let me get this link. Let me paste here. You can see YouTube button has been generated. We can able to insert emojis. The button. Let me go to getemoji.com. You can able to copy these emojis. Just I like to copy this emoji, and just I need to write, edit it. Please place it. Let me update it. You can be able to resize the button as per the text. Once you satisfied, please place it as per the grid. You can able to check preview for desktop. For tablet, you can able to see the preview of the button. Now see the test has been done, and so we need to update. Please press preview button now. Now you can see the test is not done. If you go to the, we can able to change it as per the mobile device. We can able to update the test. You can also able to update it. Then you can able to publish it, and we can able to easily create a website using templates, and we can also insert emojis for attractive emojis of attractive button like this using this getemoji.com. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.